My fellow mathematicians, welcome to the study of finite different learning in numerical analysis. Today we are considering what is called four-one diagonal difference, whereby you write the entries of x vertically as indicated here. Then you write the entries of y as indicated here. Then from there you obtain the difference. So the first difference, four-one difference, is obtained by subtracting this value from this one. There's this other one also. The first difference on these two, you subtract this from this one. You subtract this value from this one to obtain this. Then you subtract this value from this to obtain this. Then finally you subtract this value to obtain this one, and this other value to obtain the other one. The second difference, this one, is obtained by subtracting this from this one, this from this to obtain this from this to obtain this other part, and this from this to obtain this other one, and this value from this one to obtain this one. Then the third difference, the third four-one difference, is obtained by subtracting this from this. You obtain this from this one to obtain this other one, and this from this to obtain this from this one to obtain this. So it is called diagonal difference table, because as you can see, it moves diagonally from this towards this part here, and from this other one towards this other part. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to give an example to see how this table works. So here you are given this example. You are going to calculate the values of y for x is equal to 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, and for the difference table. And then from there you form the difference table. Then after forming the difference table, you find the value of y at x is equal to 5 by extending the table, and verify the same is obtained by substitution. So to obtain the values of x, you follow the following procedure. Values of x are obtained by substituting. Values of y are obtained by substituting the values of x on this formula. So when x is 0, y will be equal to 0 squared plus 0 minus 2 as shown here. When x is 1, y will be 1 squared plus 2, which is 3 minus 3 is 0. When x is 2, y will be equal to, this is 4 plus 4, which is 8 minus 3, 5. When x is 3, y will be 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 3, 12. When x is 4, y will be 16 plus 8 is 24 minus 3, 21. And the final value, so that is how the corresponding values of y are obtained. y5 is not given, it is the one we have to calculate from the table. Then from there, we make the diagonal, the four-one diagonal difference table as shown below. So this is our diagonal table. You arrange the values of x vertically up to the last value, which is 5. And also you arrange the corresponding values of y as shown. Then you obtain the first difference, which is obtained by 0 minus negative 3 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 21 minus 12 is 9. And finally, y5 minus 21. That is the first forward difference. The second forward difference is obtained by subtracting. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So you can see these are a constant. The final one is y5 minus 21 minus this 9. So you can clearly see these are a constant, meaning that if we end the value of y5, this result should be equal to 2. So y5 minus 21 minus 9 is equal to 2. y5 minus 21 minus 9 is that. So here, that's why here we have y5 minus that is equal to 2, meaning that y5 is equal to 32. So our value of y5 is 32. So if you have 32 here, minus that, the value will be 2, constant as shown. Now you are going to verify that this is true by substitution. How do you verify that this is true by substitution? You verify that by directly substituting the value on this equation. Y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. You substitute the value of x. X is 5. So 5 squared is 25. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3. So you have that 5 minus 3, which is equal to 32. Meaning that our table, our forward diagonal difference table, is correct. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on forward diagonal table and on a sample example. On more such learning, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us as we keep on learning. Also remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new release is given, so that you may keep on learning. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.